Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, this is a safe space as we don't usually notice our knees when they are working well. We don't focuses on joint stiffness because we don't face it. We when we walk, when we stand, when we do our usual activities, we usually don't focus on joints. But when the joint stiffness and pains comes in our bones, that's when we usually tends to focus on the joint's wellness. That realization came to me later on because of my grandparents. My grandparents are facing a lot of pain because of the joint stiffness. I noticed that my grandfather, who usually go for walk every single day, suddenly started to slow it down. Even few days he doesn't want to go because of the knees pain. And I have noticed that it takes time for him to stand up because of the knees. And that when I realized I really need to focus on the pain because I would really want my grandparents to overcome it. Even I noticed my grandmother, she just don't sit on the floor because of the pain in knees, and that's where I started to looking everywhere to right product to overcome the pain, and that's when I figured it out. The Joint Genesis. The Joint Genesis is a daily joint support supplement. It really helped my grandparents to overcome the knee pain. And what is interesting, it is that it has 180-day money back guarantee. That what got my attention for because due to 180 money back guarantee, I have put entire faith in that joint genesis, a daily joint supplement, because there is no loss. If the only loss of mine is that my grandparents will get fined, they don't have to go through with the pain every single time. And what really caught my attention was the ingredients. The foundation of joint genesis is Mobili, a clinically studied hyaluronic acid complex that helps support joint lubrication and cushioning, essential for smooth, easy movement. It includes French grape seed extract, which also supports joint comfort by helping manage oxidative stress. Turmeric extract and ginger root extract help support flexibility, ease of movement by addressing everyday inflammation. And Boswellia serrata extract supports long-term joint mobility and overall joint health. Together, these ingredients support joint lubrication, flexibility and range of motion, everyday comfort, and long-term joint health. And due to this product, my grandparents overcome the constant pain in their knees. And that's the reason I'm sharing this to you guys. I really want you guys to overcome the pain that you have been facing in your joints. And what took me a lot of time to find the right product. It took me a lot of efforts to figure out the right product because of the fake websites and because of the popularity of the joint genesis. There are a lot of fake websites popping up here and there. It took me a lot to figure out the right product. That's the reason I have put the direct link to the official manufacturer's link in the description. So you can go there, check the product, figure it out, and purchase from there. With that, if you have any suggestions or if you have any doubts, and if you want to share your journey, you can just comment it down and we would love it to hear from you guys. Thank you so much and stay healthy.